apply any stagnant at the HV03. Open the valve of air and CO2 supply line. At the temperature of the CO2 at the 20.2 on the main switch.
Perform the general startup procedures, section 4.2. HV12 open, HV13 open, HV15 open, HV14 open, HV16 open, HV17 open, HV4 open, V7 open. Open valve water supply to fill feed tank B1 with 30 litre of water. Note, ensure the water level of feed tank B1 is maintained about 35 litre to 30 litre by adjusting the valve water supply or valve H8 if necessary. Open and adjust valve HV01 air supply to give a flow rate of 30 litre per minute. Fully open valve HV10. Slightly open valve HV9, already setting. Turn on pump 1 at control panel. Open and adjust valve HV11 to give a water flow rate approximately 1.5 litre per minute at FT303 on control panel. Allow water to enter the top of the column K1, flow down to the column and overflow back into vessel B2. Collect an initial sample using 100 ml Allen manual flask by open valve HV03. Open and adjust valve HV02 CO2 supply to give a flow rate of 3 litre per minute. Immediately start the timer and collect the sample every 5-minute intervals until there is no more change in CO2 composition over time. Steady state. At the same time, record the outlet CO2 composition at QT401 on control panel. Analyze the collected sample to determine the composition of dissolved CO2, section 4.6, analysis of dissolved CO2 in water.
Prepare exactly 100 ml of sample in the annealer flask. First, add 3 to 5 drops of phenolphthalein indicator in here. Then, if the sample turn red, immediately there is no free CO2 is present. If the sample remain colorless, titration with 0.05 ml molar NaOH standard solution. If the sample remain colorless, titrate with 0.05 molar NaOH standard solution. The volume of NaOH required to reach the end point. The end point occurs when a definite soft pink color is present.
Repeat the experiment, steps 2 to 13, by adjusting valve HV02 CO2 supply to give a flow rate of 6 litre per minute.
Close valve water supply. Close valve HV01. Close valve HV02. Close valve HV11. Drain all liquid from column K1 by opening valve HV03. Drain all liquid from receiving vessels B1 by opening valve HV08. Drain all liquid from receiving vessels B2 by opening valve HV07. Close valve HV03. Close valve HV04. Close valve HB07. Close valve HB08. Close valve HB10. Close valve HB14. HB16. Close valve HB17. Close valve HB15. Close valve HB12. Sure the valve HB13 is fully open. Turn off the main switch at control panel.